This video is to explain to you the advanced feature allowable geometry types. To access these more advanced display settings, go to your list of layers, then select a layer, and at the top select the Settings tab, then scroll down to the bottom of the Settings tab and select More Settings. This will extend the list of settings and display some of the advanced ones. You can use these checkboxes to limit what types of geometry can be drawn on this layer. It is usually good practice to only allow one type of geometry. However, that is not a requirement here. For example, in my fire hydrants layer, I have points, lines, and areas allowed. So when I go to draw my fire hydrants, you can see I can select either a point, a line, or an area. But if I go back here to my fire hydrant layer and I turn off my lines and areas, now when I go to draw, I gotta refresh. Now when I go to draw, my only options are points. And vice versa, if I go back here and I turn off the points and turn on lines, now when I come here to draw and I select it again, now the only thing available to me are lines. However, there's a special feature where if you uncheck all three of them, then the result will be a special mode that allows for the creation of geometry list features. In this mode, whenever you go to add a new feature, you will only be prompted to enter the textual information, but will not be prompted to indicate where the feature is located on the map. So as an example, I'm going to create a new layer here and call it my vehicle maintenance log. Create. Now I go to my list of layers and I want to assign, I want to turn off all of these three checks and I click Save Display Settings. Now when I go here to draw it, scroll down, select it, you can see the only option here is this Add Feature form. So when I click this, it's just going to pop up with the feature box. So then I can describe it in here. So we're going to call this our F350 truck. And whenever I want to go check that log, I come in here, I can come to this, my browse screen, and there's that feature log.